Mm. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. I hope you stay. I hope you like the video. For you to click the notification bell and subscribe button for you to join this family and be notified every time I post a new video. So guys, imagine I've been like talking to you guys. I guess I was not talking to you because I was not recording. I did my intro and everything, and I was explaining to you what was going on, but it was just all for nothing. But I'm gonna do it again because exactly I have to, you know. So guys, what's going on today? The concept of this video, I had to meet up with someone, but I'm not sure if he's coming or not or what's going on. But I'm here to like buy my dad. Okay, my dad said me to buy my mom a present, you know, and it's like, you know what, since they bought me a car, let me just run my errands, like buy things that I need, you know, because the last time on the vlog that I told you guys, I didn't get what I wanted. I got some and others I didn't get them. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm so hungry. One thing right now is that I'm so hungry because I didn't eat breakfast. It was like, you know what, I have to meet up with this person on 12, with this person. Yeah, so it's like, you know what, yeah, so since I'm hungry guys, I'm so disappointed, but it's like, you know what, let me just vlog and hide my mood, and since I look good, why not vlog? So yeah guys, I'm gonna eat breakfast. I think I'm gonna try KFC and waffle burger, and I will tell you the review guys, because everyone on social media is talking about KFC. So we're gonna do that since I'm even wearing red, understand? So yeah guys, let's just go. And I want to try, it's a bubble or what's the drink that has, I think, coffee or nuts inside it. And yeah guys, let's hope this time I won't be shy to like vlog, because the vlog, my first vlog where I did voiceover, is because I was shy to like talk to you guys. I was not ready to be out here, but it's like, no what, you know. So let's just get right into the video. See you when I update you. Bye. And please guys, never mind the angle, because this is the only angle that I have, and that is clear, and yeah, for me to preach you guys, to talk to you guys. I'm just so, but bear with me, you know. So we'll see you guys. Guys, I'm back from shopping. Like, I'm back, and I was so shy to vlog inside. Like, I was so shy to vlog inside because people were looking at me. I was even shy to like just videoize something, not even talking, but videoizing something. I was shy to do that. I was even shy to get in. Oh, it's not bobo, it's yo-yo bubbles tea. Yeah, I was so scared to try it, because why? Not scared to try it, but like to go in, because I wanted to like shoot a clip of me going in and tasting it and talking about how it is and everything. But I was like, oh my gosh, because I was the only one. Like, people were like, they were not the time I wanted to like buy, so it made me like nervous. So that's why I didn't try it. And I want to like, oh, my hands are so, they're not dry because I just applied, what you call it, my hand lotion. I guess it's under the John. So now guys, I'm just gonna sanitize my hands. I'm gonna sanitize my hands because I want to eat. And I went to KFC. They didn't have Uncle Waffle burger. I guess I feel it is trend mall. So yeah, I decided to get thumbnail. So I decided to get the crunchy meal and dumplings. Dumplings are my favorite. One thing about me, I will always order dumplings at KFC. So yeah guys, I'm so hungry. Since in the morning I only drank tea and biscuits only, and now I think it's almost 4 o'clock and I'm eating my breakfast and lunch at the same time. Like, I'm so hungry. Yeah guys, I'm so comfortable sitting down and talking to you and vlogging outside. I don't know if it's normal or it's not, but like I feel like it's normal because if you enjoy your own company, why not? And like in front of Pamgobantu, that's what I'm scared of. Yeah guys, these dumplings are mine as always. So guys, let me eat and finish eating. I'll stop talking so much because I can talk. So and I'm gonna show you what you call this, what I got. I don't know if I'll show you like inside the car or when I get home. Oh, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe and click that notification bell for you to know every time I post a new video. So guys, what you call this? Oh, when I'm eating a wing, others they don't finish the wing and anything and eating all of that. Now I do finish the wing. Because ngithanda inyama, you know. So yeah guys, so I'm thinking how about I do like a mukbang, like get to know me, because oh guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll put my handle here, like here, because guys, I what you call this, I opened a new account. Why? Because I lost my phone. I forgot the pin. How stupid am I forgot the pin on my Instagram, so I was forced to like open my new account. So guys, don't forget to follow me on IG, TikTok, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. You know the vibes. So yeah guys, let's just do a mukbang. I wanted to do a mukbang as my first video, but the problem is I don't have many followers on IG. So I'm just gonna answer questions. I'm just gonna tell you about me, what I think you guys will want to know about me, you know. So yeah guys, so my name is Ratabile Hope Oliphant. So guys, yeah, how old am I? 22, turning 23 on the 13th of December. 13th of December, I'm turning 23. It's my Jordan, yeah. My favorite color is pink, guys. And I'm a Sutu girl and a Xhosa girl at the same time. My mom is a Sutu and they got married. And they got married to a Xhosa man. And I'm a Xhosa girl. Exactly. So I'm a Xhosa/Sutu. So yeah guys. And oh, I kept on saying yeah guys. So what is it that you guys want to know? What am I studying now? I'm studying beauty therapist. You can see I'm pretty, so I deserve to be in that course, you know. So yeah guys, I study beauty therapist at EWC. I can't tell you the campus that I'm studying at, but I'm studying there. Maybe guys I will do a day with me as a therapist. So and am I in a relationship? I know you guys want to know that and everything, and I'm not gonna answer that. I'm sorry guys, I'm not gonna answer that. That's Luma. Another thing, what is it? Do I go to the gym? Because like most of people like ask me like, your body, it's so nice, it's shaped and everything, and I'm like, guys, I don't go to the gym. I would love to, but I don't really have time to go to the gym. The way my schedule is and how my lifestyle is, like I don't have time to go to the gym. But you guys will see why I'm saying that when time goes, because like I don't really have time to go to the gym, so I don't go to the gym. Yeah, I guess my genes, my family genes, like, cause like, oh, like my mom, my sisters, like our body is snatched, yeah. So imagine if I can go to the gym, how my body is going to be. Yeah, just imagine. Guys, I have a big forehead. One thing you must know me, one thing that you must know about me is that I have a big forehead. It's pongo, it's body knowledge. Guys, I'm sure you're like, girl, you talk too much. Yes, I do talk too much when I'm alone. Guys, this beggar is not slapping like that. Excuse me. It's not slapping like that, but it's just okay. I'm enjoying my dumplings and chips more than the beggar. Yada. I need to eat and finish because I'm sure they will call me anytime soon asking me Ndikupi. So yeah. And I don't want to drive fast because I am phoning at home. I have to lie with them. Where am I and everything. So see you guys. Oh my gosh guys, you know what happened? Actually, guys, I'm gonna just preach you here. What happened is that I paid the card, as you saw me guys, and then it lasts for like 10 minutes. Then you have to pay another one. So Nkumbula know when I have to go out. When I'm done eating, I'm like, I have to go out now. I wonder what are you going to say because I paid a long time ago here. Oh no, I wonder what are you going to say. Sawoni jani? Ngiyaphila. Oh konje. Ama ngangishengibhadalile, mari bhadalile. Angishibhadaliwe mari. Mara. Thank you, Nyabonga. Thank you. Oh my gosh, guys. Luckily they opened for me. Like I forgot, guys. It was like, girl, you have to go out immediately. So I let's not make sure. Guys, let me go now. Let me hit the road. Let me hit the road, you know. Oh, guys, then it's okay. It was like they were like, go back, girl. You have to like pay again. Guys, let me go now. I'll talk to you later. So, guys, I'm gonna show you what I got since they locked me outside because they went somewhere. So I called them, then they were like, we're coming, you know. So I'm just gonna show you what I got instead of sitting down and doing anything. I wonder when people are passing, I don't know, let's just do what we gotta do for the content for you guys. So yeah, so guys, at this camp, what I got is I'm just gonna tear it. This is what I got. A water bottle for Lucy. You guys know her as Bonolo, not Lucy. So I mean, I know her as Lucy, you know. And I got her this. This is so nice. It's nice packaging. And I was even thinking, like, why don't I buy it for myself? Because I love the basket. You see, so I think when it's stressed, it's like always bigger pleasant. And like a notebook. I'm a fan of notebooks and journals and diaries. So yeah, that's what I got for her, and I got this for myself because really like it's finished. I got that from kids at discount. I got that at discount, and I got these 2 exercise books because I have to start studying. Okay, I've started, but like I needed exercise to like summarize everything and yeah, and some highlights because the one that I have, like when you highlight, so this one they don't do that. So I got this highlighters. I got pads because it's that time of the month, and I got these. I got I got them like skincare, and I got this because my hair is so dry, guys. But I was like, you know what? So that's what I got at Pick and Pay. And at Truth, I got PJs for my mom, the ones that my dad sent me to buy. Like, here they are. Yeah, they are. And the trouser is the top and the trouser. My favorite, all in all, my favorite is my water bottle. Because I've been wanting a nice water bottle, and this, it's so nice. Like, this is so nice, but the price was not nice. The price was 100 and let's check. I want to check it for you guys. No, you're kidding. No, guys, I thought it was 1 something, and the bottle is 260. Like, I'm not kidding, guys. I'm shocked. Look, I don't know if you can. Oh my gosh. Let's see. And 260, guys. I thought it's like 120 something. Is it worth it? I'm just so sad that I spent 260 on this. Anyway, yeah, it is what it is. Hey, hi. And these are mine. This is for my mom, and this is for Lucy. I hope they will like their dress because, wow, guys. So yeah, guys, this is what I got, and yeah, now I'm just sitting outside waiting for them. Hey guys, yeah, that's what I got. I don't think I'll take you guys I'll take you guys when I'm going to drop my dad anymore, because I tried what you call this, filming while I'm driving, but it was not safe at all. Like, no, I took some of those guys. So the time I have like a tripod that we plug here, then I'll talk to you guys and drive with you when I have that. But like, since I don't have, I cannot take risk anymore. So guys, I'm not gonna take you with me, so I'm just gonna close the video here. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did enjoy filming it. And yeah guys, see you in the next video. Not forgetting to subscribe and clicking that notification bell and liking the video, and not forgetting to follow me on IG. You know the story why I must just go and see some fashion content there that you will like, and I'm sure you will like that because a girl gets some fashion sense, you know. So guys, thank you for watching. Love you so much. Bye guys, with my crusty hands. Bye.